Welcoming Ranger Design's newest and most innovative ladder rack to the market, the Access Stow. This rear loading rack is designed to make the life of a tradesman simple and efficient. Built to load and unload your ladders with minimal effort, the rack slides down to ground level, eliminating the need to stretch or climb onto the roof of the van. Durable polyester straps are included to keep your ladders tied down securely, and a high-grade locking mechanism ensures the rack stays safely on the roof while driving. With the double width option, the Access Stow can carry 2 extension ladders for extra efficiency. Built from sturdy aluminum and designed to international safety standards, this rack will keep you going through rain or shine. Ranger Design's Access Stow, a great solution for loading and unloading your ladders on the job.